This is Mahmoud Hassan Meras. Welcome to another solution tutorial of SolidWorks. Today we are going to solve this 3D problem. In this 3D problem, this is the isometric view, this is the top view, this is the front view, and this is the right side view. First of all, I will start drawing from the top view. In the top view, I will draw the outer circle, and this circle has a radius of 72.5. And after that, I will extrude boss it to 84. But I will extrude boss in the direction 1 is 21, and in the direction to 84 minus 21, because in here we have another inside extrude cut of this pentagon shape. Okay, so I am selecting the top plane. Now select sketch, then select circle and draw a circle of 72.5 radius. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features and then extrude boss, and extrude boss it to 21 unit in the direction 1, and in the direction 2 84 minus 21. Now press OK. As you can see, we have extrude boss in direction 1 21 and direction 2 84 minus 21. So this line is our top face. So from in the top face I will draw a polygon, and this polygon has 5 sides, so it is a pentagon, and this pentagon has a outer circle, which means it has a circumscribed circle of 60 diameter. So I am selecting the top plane, then drawing this pentagon, and then extrude cut to 43 unit. But this pentagon has a vertical distance from the origin is 8 unit, and a horizontal distance of 21 unit. So selecting the top plane, now sketch, now normal to it, now select polygon and select sides, 5 side. Now select circumscribed circle. Now draw your pentagon. After drawing your pentagon, select smart dimension and dimension the circle to 60 diameter. Now press OK. After that, it has a horizontal dimension of 21 unit. Then dimension it to, it has a vertical dimension of 8 unit. Now press OK. Now isometric it. Now go to features and then extrude cut. Extrude cut it to 43 unit. Now press OK. For a better view of your extrude cut, go to section view. Now move the arrow so you can view properly. So you can see in the inside of our solid face we have cut and extrude cut. Okay. After that, we can see that we have another extrude cut in the right face. This one. In the 3D model, we can see this one. So first of all, I will draw a circle, and this circle has a radius of 68, and from this origin point it has a vertical distance of 27 and a horizontal distance of 85. But here we can see this extrude cut starts from this line. So it's mean from the top face I will draw a reference plane which is under 10 unit of this top face. Then from that reference plane I will draw this circle of 68 radius. Okay, selecting the top face. Now select plane. Now as we have the dimension of 10 unit, then use the flip option. Now press OK. Now select this plane. Now sketch. Now normal to it. Now select a circle and draw a circle of 68 radius. Now select smart dimension and dimension it vertically 27 unit. Now again dimension this from the origin horizontally 85 unit. Now isometric it for a better view. Here you can see it has a extrude cut of 34 unit. So I will go to features and then extrude cut it to 34 unit. Now press OK. Now I will hide this plane because I don't need it hiding this plane. Now here you can see we have another extrude cut through wall here, and this circle has a radius of 46 and it has a horizontal distance of 30 unit and a vertical distance of 87. So selecting the top face, now sketch, now normal to it, now select a circle and draw a circle of 46 radius. Now smart dimension it horizontally 30 unit. Now select the circle and dimension it vertically. Select this circle and dimension it vertically 87 unit. Now press OK. After that, for a clear view, you can isometric it. So I am isometric it. Now go to features and extrude cut. Now extrude cut it to through all both. Now press OK. After that, we can see in the front plane or front face, we have an inclined line, and this inclined line has a 30-degree angle, and the distance from this vertical line to this interline point here, it has a 95 unit of distance. So first of all, I'll from this vertical line 95 unit distance I will draw an inclined line, then I will close the shape and then I will extrude it to through all. So I am selecting the front plane. Now sketch, now normal to it, now select a line and point the line here and point here. Okay, I have drawn the inclined line. Now smart dimension it from this point to this vertical line. It has a dimension of 95 unit. Now again smart dimension this inclined line to this horizontal line 30-degree unit. Now press OK. Now you can close the shape by using the line tool, or you can use the corner rectangle. I normally use corner rectangle because it is less time consuming, so I am using the corner rectangle. Then go to trim option and trimming the lines I don't need. Now press OK. For a better view, isometric it. Now go to features and extrude cut and extrude cut it to through all both. Now press OK. If you wish to view a better view, you can see from the section view option. Now you can rotate the arrow. Now you can see that the inside cut and the outer cut properly. As you can see, we have drawn our 3D sketch. Thank you for watching till the end.
Thanks for watching, and keep learning. Be different.